Hi guys, welcome to another video of LeapScholar. This is me, Reshma Ravindran, and today we're going to look into my experiences of studying here in Canada. I understand that as soon as you decide to come to Canada as a student, there are a lot of decisions to make and it's always overwhelming. And choosing the right course, choosing the right kind of career, everything, every little step has so many decisions. And I really hope that my experience here is definitely going to help you guys in some way to make the right choices. I currently pursue project management here in Lambton College, Sarnia. The reason why I chose this course has a lot of opinions from my end, which I'm going to break it down to you guys today. Now, the course that I'm pursuing is a 2-year diploma program, which I am doing in a college. So basically, all the courses that you do in a college is definitely economical, and for someone who comes from India, this is a great option. So there it is, it's economical. I would get 3 years of work permit after doing this course, and also I get to change my stream. Also keep in mind that when you are pursuing a 2-year program, you will get 3 years work permit here in Canada. Now this is a lot of time to actually get enough work experience and then obviously apply for PR. Talking about my background, I actually have a bachelor's degree in electronics and communication, post which I also have 3 years sales experience, and now I'm currently doing project management. So basically, for someone like me who wants to change their career into a different direction, PG diploma is a great option. One thing that you guys should always keep in mind is that while doing assignments back in India, we usually take it from Google. We don't really care about the source. It's not a big deal there, right? But here it's a big deal. Integrity is a huge issue. Whether you're taking anything from the Google or you're getting it from any source, it has to be mentioned, and integrity is a very important issue here. So make sure whatever assignments you do with your team or an individual assignment, make sure that you give the right kind of credits to the author. Talking about how the course is going so far, I'm actually in the 2nd semester, and so far it's been really wonderful, mainly because you're actually working as a group and all the case studies and assignments will be done in a group, and this will make it more interesting because in future when you are working in an environment with a lot of other people from different backgrounds, this experience of yours in college is definitely going to help you shine in your career. Right now everything is a bit difficult because everything is online, and that is a little annoying, but of course the colleges have started to open, and some of the courses in my college have started to have offline classes as well. I'm still hoping to go back to college pretty soon so I can actually be part of a lot of extracurricular activities in college. The one tip that I would give you guys is concentrate on your studies. I know it's pretty simple, but after coming here, a lot of students give importance to their part-time jobs rather than studies. Part-time jobs are like secondary thing. Your priority is to study here, so make sure you do your assignments on time, submit your work on time, and make sure you give a lot of importance to group assignments and individual assignments, because that is what is going to help you fetch a job here in Canada. So make sure you gain that experience, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope that this video kind of helped you guys to understand how the studies work here in Canada. Please do comment down about your experiences so that it can help a lot more students. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.